Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, July 8th, I believe. Welcome back to Wendy's Wednesdays. Oh my goodness, we've been having some beautiful summer days, and that is so exciting because we've had so much rain, but it's nice to be able to put on the summer clothes and not feel chilly in the morning or run from a building to a car or whatever. Grab that umbrella, which my husband and I own an umbrella, but we always forget it. Oh gosh, I'm a little bit winded this morning, and it's warm in here, but that's a good thing. I'm not going to complain about that. Could also be the age. Who knows, right? I hope you're all having a great week. I hope for those of you that have already done some holidays, some camping, some cabin time, some lake time, that you're just having a fabulous start to your summer. Yeah, we don't have a whole lot planned, but we do have a fall vacation planned, which I'm looking forward to. And otherwise, I'm around the shop most of the summer. So if you're in the area, pop on in and see me. I love to sit and chat and visit and whatever. I am here. Come and see me. So we got a few new things in, and I want to share them with you. I'm going to start off with yarn today because for those of you who follow along, you know that we have added yarn into our shop. And I think I've already explained it once, but it's kind of closing the loop on Claire's Corner. So Claire's Corner is named in memory of my mama. And growing up, she taught us so many things, and one of them was knitting and crochet. So the premise of my shop is to have a little bit of everything that she taught us as we were growing up. So the final part of that was yarn, and we've had it here for probably about a month now, and we got some more in. So I'm going to show you that this morning. So the first one we have is by Rico Yarns, and this is called Creative Chic Unique DK. So it's a DK weight. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? If you crochet or if you knit, if you weave, whatever it is that you like to do with yarns, this is a beautiful, beautiful one. There is 695 meters in here, so you can get quite a bit done. So that's a nice new one. I can't remember the name of this one, but anyways, in store and online, check it out. We have a couple styles of this one. If you like a chunkier yarn, so this is called Alpaca Drift. Just stunning. This one is called Fawn, this color. It's so soft, first of all. And I probably covered up the label on this one because I was just trying to get it out. Smart, Wendy. 130 meters in each of these. So there's one. Just stunning. Gorgeous, gorgeous, and so soft. I wish you could tell how soft it was. I hope you can. And this one is Ash, also Alpaca Drift. And this one is Ash, and it's again just so incredibly soft. I just love it. And next, oops, there goes one rolling away. I've got my chair just piled up this morning, so with things that I want to share with you. Yeah. These are all sport weight yarns by Cascade. They're called Heritage 6 hand paints. So I will just work my way through them for you. There's that one. Isn't that beautiful? So again, it's Heritage 6 hand paints by Cascade Yarns, and that's sport weight. All of these are sport weight yarns. And then this one, look at that. Just so pretty. You can do so much with these. This one I think is called Rosebush, and I just think it's so just Yes, it is a rose bush for sure. Isn't that pretty? The colors in that? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fall colors. And then the last one. Look at that. Just love the colors in there. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So those are the new yarns that we got in this week. We got a couple more of the bamboo swifts in and some reinforcement yarn. So yeah, check that out on our website or pop by the shop and check it out. Our little yarn corner is filling up quite nicely, and thank you to everybody who's supported us so far. It's very exciting. It's very exciting to have a little bit of everything in here for the crafter in you and in me. So the next thing I'm going to show you is I made a post already on Instagram and Facebook about this line. It's called Windfall by Fancy That Design House. This is a beautiful line. I'll just show you a few of the prints in here. The colors are just gorgeous. So we have charm packs and we have yardage. It's so fun. Here's a panel. There's a panel with it. We love a cute panel. Look at this. There's the first one. So it's got little sections on it. Right? Look at the coffee one. How cute is that? And the books. And the colors are just beautiful. Hello, pumpkin. Leaves are falling. Cozy time is calling. And then the book one says, between the pages of a book is the coziest place to be. I just love this. It's about 2 feet. I think it says 2 feet by about 40 inches, 44 inches, somewhere in that range. You could take it apart. You could leave it together. You could make a wall hanging. It's just super cute. I always thought this one with the book and the coffee, you could make like a book cover or one of those Hemingway pouches. It would be so cute for a book lover, right? The reading and the books, and just so fall. So fall. I'm going to wait on that one to show you, but here's the rest of that line, and I'm just going to show you them one by one. The colors are stunning. It's kind of like tree bark, sort of, right? But just pretty, very pretty and rich and warm, and just gives you all those fall feels. And I know you don't want to talk about fall, but I'm very much a fall colors person. So yeah, I just love these colors. I would use it year round, no matter what. Isn't that beautiful? What a gorgeous color combination. And another one. Beautiful flowers. This Merlot color is very popular. It's yeah, you see it everywhere. Actually, look at this. Look at that. With the rosebush yarn. How beautiful is that? Right? I just love it. You could do a matching throw pillow to go with your Afghan. What do you think of that? And here's another one that's like that bark sort of finish, but in a different color, in the dark brown. Gorgeous. You could make a frame. Literally frame your quilt. This one's really cute too. This purple color, this mauve, lilac, I'm not sure exactly what tone it would be, but it's just so pretty with the pumpkins in there. It's not too Halloween or too fall. It's just kind of a really nice mix. This is probably one of my favorites of these. Look at this. Little coffee cups and the tea and the, is that up? Oh, I guess it goes both ways. So it's directional in a sense, but I mean, 6 of one, half dozen of the other, right? You can flip it any way you want. And Then this one's just got some nice little leaves on it. Just a nice little complementary fabric with the leaves. Loving it. Oh, and that's just the panel bolt. We don't need to see that because we've seen the panel already. But look at this one. Oh, I love these colors. Isn't that? Look at those colors. They're just so pretty. I think this is a summer print too, because look at the colors. The gorgeous flowers. Just stunning. I love it. And then this one. It's a neutral, but look close at what's in this one. I think it's kind of neat. With the books and the coffee and the tea and just everything cozy and comforting. Don't you just love it? I do. What a great line, hey? Thank you for joining me today. We will chat again later. I've got a busy one today. Have a great one, everybody. Stay safe in that sun, but get out and enjoy it. Talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.